In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze frame in ClipChamp. So, if you want to be able to do it the official way, you need to pay for their premium plan, which you can upgrade here. It costs $9.99 a month, and that's how you do it. But I'm going to teach you a way to do it completely for free. So this way is completely for free. What you need to do is go into your timeline and your clip. So say we want to turn this here into a freeze frame. What we would do is we would go over here into the speed options and we'll turn it down to the lowest speed here. So it's going to make your file very long like this. So now we need to find the clip that we want to keep. And as you can see, there's it's like a couple seconds per frame. So let's say we want this frame. What we'll do, find the very start of it here, and then find the end of the frame. So I'm going to just trim that a little bit, and the end of the frame, so it's there. And if you want to, you can zoom in like a ton to help you find this. So start of the frame, and that's where it moves. So we'll split the second one here. Now you've got this. This is basically your freeze frame. I haven't done this very well. I'm going to chop it here. This is your freeze frame here. Now what you can do from here is you can do Control D, and this is going to duplicate it loads of times. And this isn't a perfect solution, but it's completely free to do this. But now you can see I've duplicated it loads of times, and it's given me this freeze frame here. So it's as good as a freeze frame. And basically that is how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.